Uh, Good morning, everybody. I hope you had an enjoyable evening and a good night's rest so that we can start afresh this morning. Yesterday, just to recap very quickly, we covered the burdens and risks attaching to different categories of microbial threats, whether endemic diseases, emerging infectious disease outbreaks, or the underlying threat of antimicrobial resistance. We also talked about the economic issues and challenges around preparedness and around accelerating the R&D agenda to counter microbial threats. And today we're moving even more into the space of solutions. And to start us off this morning, we're going to have a session on investing in sustainable solutions, looking at two specific aspects of it. Dean is going to be talking about the development assistance side of the countering microbial threats, and Tanya Holt is going to talk about one of the more sort of practical business economics aspects of it, which is the whole supply chain issues, which are a fundamental challenge in many of the areas most threatened by microbial threats. Following that session, we're going to have some breakouts, which is where you all get to do some work. We're going to have three breakouts. One group is going to be on modeling the economic risks of emerging infectious diseases. A second is creating a sustainable economic model to stimulate R&D for antibiotics, so very much building on the panel session we concluded with yesterday. And the third is incentives for national governments to invest in preparedness. So tackling actually the second to last, building on the second to last panel we had yesterday. And then we'll have the classic sort of reporting back from the breakouts. I think the forum members have already indicated where, which of those breakouts they want to, and I think speakers and other guests can basically choose which of those. And I think the team will be making sure people understand which room they need to go to for those breakout sessions. So, and then we will have a final wrap up. And we will have solved, of course, by then, all the economic issues attaching to microbial threats. Starting off on this first session, we have a slight issue in that we appear to have lost our moderator. But in the absence of a moderator, I will pretend to be Anis. And Dean and Tanya, do you want to join me up at the front here? And if Anis arrives, I will get out of the way.